Hi guys, great day, welcome back to Pearl TV. At sa video na to ay meron tayong panibagong cooking tutorial. Let's go! Hi guys, great day, welcome to Pearl TV. And once again, we're going to make a yummy pasta carbonara. Okay, so I already have pre-boiled pasta. Okay, I just cooked the pasta noodles for 10 minutes. Okay, and I'll be using the Clara Olay Bechamel white sauce, and I have here the bacon. Okay, prinito ko na siya guys, yung bacon, and then ginupit-gupit ko na siya. Okay, and we have here the whole mushroom. Ayan, ini-slice ko na. Another onion, the milk, ibap milk. Okay, we have here the head and cheese grated, the garlic, the ground pepper, black ground pepper, and last but not the least, the butter. Okay, so let's get started guys. So we have to preheat the pan. Okay, so I put the pan a while ago, so it's time for me to put the butter now. Sabihin natin yung bawang. Yung brownish na siya guys. Oh. Bawang. So, bilis lang naman yung gusto ko yun. Okay. So, lang luya. Lagyan na natin guys yung mushroom. Okay. The mushroom. Sa konting asin. The black pepper. And hayaan natin kumulo guys. Okay, pakuloy natin guys. And since boiling na guys. Pasta natin. Tikman natin guys. Tikman natin. Dagdagan natin ng konting asin. Konting asin, konting ano. Ayan. Kaya naman siya guys. Pwede na natin ilagay guys ang pasta. Okay. Make sure lang na na-drain nyo guys yung pasta. Ayan. Bagong luto lang yan guys. Yun o. Mga pampalasa kasi. Lagay ko yung bacon, okay? Maalat yung bacon. Bacon. Lots of bacon. Sakto lang guys yung ano. Okay. Lagyan natin ng cheese guys para may creamylicious. Creamylicious. Ayan. Ayan guys, enough ko na siya guys. Luto na naman din siya. So, ilagay na natin guys yung ano pang toppings natin na cheese. Okay? Ayan. Ganyan na. Diretso na tayo dyan. Ayan. Yummy! Diba? Tapos, ayan. Pang toppings din. Pero meron na siya kanina, diba? Bago natin inano. Bago tayo nag-off ng stove. Meron na. So, okay na siya guys. Let's eat na guys. Ayun guys, kain na tayo. Ito po yung niluto ko ngayong resurrection. Creamy pasta carbonara with mushroom and bacon. Mushroom and bacon. Lots of mushroom and lots of bacon. Minix ko na yung bacon kanina pa. Tapos naglagay pa ako ng toppings na bacon. Okay, as you can see, it's so very yummy. Napaka-delisyoso. Napakadaming bacon guys. 250 grams ng bacon ang nilagay. Tama ba? Cured honey, cured bacon. And one of mushroom. Bye! Thank you for watching.